Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. We welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Hi children, how are you? All are fine? Yes. Children, in the previous class we discussed what are adjectives and what are degrees of comparison and what are the kinds of adjectives. No? Now we are going to see the order of adjectives. Okay. What is the topic we are going to see now? Order of adjectives. Can you tell me children what are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words which describes the noun. Okay. Adjectives qualifies a noun. Okay. See here, order of adjective means we will be getting so many adjectives, kinds of adjectives, no? Adjective of size, color, shape. So, order of adjective means which order adjective should come in a sentence. First, adjective of quality and quantity, then size, shape, number. Likewise, we have a particular order for adjective. Okay. Adjectives. Adjectives describe nouns and pronouns. What do you mean by pronoun? Pronoun is nothing but we use the pronoun instead of noun. For example, if I call Rahul, I no need to call the that is repeated name. Instead of calling Rahul, I can say he. So, instead of calling the name, we can use the pronoun. Okay. So, instead of noun, we use pronoun. And some adjective tell us what people or things are like by describing their quality. Okay. And we saw so many adjectives. Adjective of quality, quantity, size, shape, color, possessive adjective, demonstrative adjective and descriptive adjective. What do you mean by quality? Quality means the characteristics of a person or an animal or a thing. Okay, that is called adjective of quality. And other adjectives describe quantity or how much there is of something. And see here, an old man. Old. Old is a quality. And happy family, whether the family is happy or sad, we are describing about the family. And so it comes under quality, adjective of quality. Naughty girl, naughty or mischievous girl, all these comes under the characteristics of a person. So it comes under quality. Some rice, and some means we are asking whether you want 1 kg rice or 2 kg rice. So it comes under adjective of quantity. Okay. So quantity, quantity. A little water, few, enough, sufficient. Okay. All these comes under adjective of quantity. See here we have a happy family here. Okay. And we use adjectives before a noun. Where do we use adjectives? We use adjectives before a noun. Noun is a naming word. So, before a noun we use adjective. She is a clever girl. Girl is a noun and before the noun we use adjective as clever. Okay. And we can also use adjectives after a verb. For example, that is a pretty doll. I am telling that is a pretty doll. In this sentence, doll is a noun and pretty is a adjective. So, always adjective is used before a noun. Okay. And before the noun we used the adjective here. See the second sentence. This doll is pretty. Here we don't have the noun after the adjective. We have the noun here before the adjective. This doll is pretty. So, we use the adjective after the linking verb. What are the linking verbs? Is, am, are or was, were, as, have. Okay. And here we have the linking verb is. So, after is we are using the adjective pretty. So, we use the adjectives before the noun as well as after the linking verb. And there are different kinds of adjectives. I taught you before, no? Adjective of quantity or descriptive. Okay. Then adjective of quality. Okay. Quality or descriptive. Then adjective of quantity and numerical adjective. Then adjective of size, shape, color, okay, touch. All these are kinds of adjectives. Example, color means it is a red dress. Dress is a noun and red is a adjective. So they are describing about the dress, whether the dress is red in color. Okay. So red is adjective of color. Adjective of size means a tiny ant, whether the ant is small or big one. So we are describing about the ant, so it comes under adjective of size. Adjective of shape, there is a square box on a round table. We are describing the box, whether it is a rectangle shape or square shape. So here the box is noun and square is adjective. Adjective of shape. Okay. Adjectives of taste. The fruit is so sweet. We are telling about the fruit, whether it is a bitter or sweet or sour. So fruit is a noun and sweet is a adjective, and it comes under adjective of taste. Then adjectives of touch. If I touch something, I can feel whether it is hot or soft or it is cold. We can feel. So I need a cup of hot coffee. Okay. In this sentence, coffee is a noun and before a noun we get the adjective hot. Okay. So hot is the adjective of touch. Then order of adjectives. Okay, we use adjectives in a sentence, but if we have so many adjectives in a sentence, how do we use that adjective? Okay, we have a specific order for the adjectives, how to use in a sentence if we have so many adjectives. Okay, see here, sometimes we use more than one adjective before a noun. Example, a big blue hat. We are getting two adjectives here. They are describing about the hat. Okay, how the hat is a big blue. Okay, a is what? Adjective of number, that is numerical adjective, quantity. Okay, and big is adjective of size. Okay, then blue, adjective of color. So we are getting three adjectives here, a, big, blue. Okay, then in the second sentence you can see a large oval window. A is the adjective of quantity, then large, adjective of size, oval, adjective of shape. Okay, and third, three beautiful little grey kittens. See how many adjectives we have in this? Three beautiful little grey. Three is what? Adjective of quantity. Then beautiful, descriptive adjective or adjective of quality. Little, little means we are telling about the size. Okay, so adjective of size. Grey, color, adjective of color. And a dusty, small, old, round, brown box. Okay, see here we have how many adjectives? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 adjectives. A is a numerical adjective. Dusty, we are describing about that. So it comes under descriptive adjective. Small, adjective of size. Old, it comes under adjective of age, whether the age is old or young. So it comes under adjective of age. Round, shape, it comes under adjective of shape. Brown, brown means color, adjective of color. Okay. And we use two or more adjectives before the noun. We put them in the following order. In this order, we have to place the adjective. Okay. First, quantity or number. First, what we should do? We should place quantity. Okay. Adjective of quantity. Then second, adjective of quality. Quality means it can be dusty or intelligent, clever, brave, kind. What kind? What are the characteristics? In that character will be coming under the quality. Okay. And size, whether the small, big, large, all these are size. Age, old, young, it comes under age. And fifth one is shape. Okay. We should give the order for shape. Fifth order is shape. Okay. Adjective of shape, whether it is round, whether the table is oval or rectangle shape. Then color, sixth one, last one, we should give the importance for last one is adjective of color, brown, orange, pink. So in this way we should place the order of adjectives. See here, it comes under number, okay, 1, 2, 3 or first or second, all these are numeral adjectives. Then size, big, small, huge. Then color, blue, hat is a noun. Then a large oval window. Window is a noun, oval is a shape, large is a size, a is a quantity or number. And third one, 3 beautiful little grey kittens. Kittens is a noun, grey is a color, and little comes under adjective of size, beautiful quality or opinion. 3 comes under quantity or number. Then a dusty small old round brown box. See how many adjectives. A first order, second is dusty, then adjective of size, then fourth one age, fifth is shape, sixth is color. Okay. So in this order we should place the adjective in a sentence. Shall we go for practice? Put the following words in order to form the sentence. A nice as cherry orange big jacket. We should form the correct sentence here, okay, by placing the adjective in correct order. So first cherry, a noun should come here. Cherry, cherry. Then what should come next to noun? Verb, has. Then a nice. Nice is a describing word, okay, as a nice. Then what should come? Color should come last. Then big means size. It should come in the fifth place. Jacket is a noun. So Jerry as a nice big orange jacket. Okay. So first noun, then verb, then what are the adjectives we use here? Big orange. Orange means it is a color. So always adjective of color should come in the last. Okay, in a sentence, adjective of color will be coming last. First will be getting adjective of number. Okay, then after that quality, then age, size, shape, color. Okay, then second sentence, Diya found. First noun should come. So Diya found is a verb. Diya found. What should come now? Whether black will be coming or weak or tiny. Black is a color. So it should come last. Weak. Weak means we are describing. So it comes under adjective of quality. Tiny. Adjective of size. So what should come first? Diya found a tiny, adjective of size, first adjective of number, then adjective of size, then quality, weak, okay, then at last we will be getting black, adjective of color, black. Diya found a tiny, weak, black kitten by the road. Okay, you understood this? See the third sentence. Beautiful I gifted mother umbrella yellow. Okay, first what should come? I. Okay, I is the subject here. I. Then what should come? Verb. I gifted Mother. Okay. I gifted mother. Then adjective of number. A beautiful yellow umbrella. Okay. Beautiful. Because after adjective of quantity, what should come? Quality. So beautiful is coming after this. Then last color. Yellow umbrella. Umbrella is a noun. You understood? I gifted mother a beautiful yellow umbrella. Okay. Then three lovely grandma knitted green for us sweaters. How you should frame this sentence? First, grandma will be coming. Grandma knitted what should come next? Three, because numeral adjective. Three lovely descriptive adjective. Lovely. Then green is adjective of color. Green sweaters. Okay, green big sweaters, or big will be coming here before this. Big green sweaters for us. Okay. So, grandma knitted three lovely big green sweaters for us. First order is numerical adjective, then adjective of quality, then adjective of size, then adjective of color. Okay, and this is noun, sweater. Old bat Sanchit as purple a big. So what should come first? Name, noun. Sanchit as. First what should come? Purple, big or old? What should come? A big, old, then at last color, purple, bat. Okay. Sanchit as a big, old, purple bat. Next, big boxes wants to Tara two grey old and open the. So first noun. Tara wants to open the. Tara wants to open the big boxes 2. So 2 will be coming first because numerical adjective. 2, then big, old, then Tara wants to open the 2 big old grey boxes. Okay. Tara wants to open the 2 big old grey boxes. You understood? Then write these adjectives in the correct columns of the table. Okay. So we should now write the correct adjectives under the pattern, that is under the which type of adjective. Okay, this word comes under which type of adjective. We have finished all the adjectives now. We saw demonstrative adjective, descriptive adjective, possessive adjective and adjective of quantity. Now we should know how to put a word in the particular column. Okay. Descriptive adjective. Descriptive means what? It describes, okay, it describes the quality of the person, place or things. Demonstrative means we are pointing out, demonstrating this, that, these, those, okay. Possessive, his pencil, her, their, her, that is possessive. Quantity, one, two or first or second, many, much, all this comes under quantity. Numeral adjective, 1, 2, first, second. Interrogative, question, which, what, whose, okay. First 30, 30 means it is a number, so it comes under numeral. Okay, then some is a adjective of quantity. Then that is a possessive. Dirty means describes the quality, so quality. Then rough, it is also quality. Then brave, quality. What, it comes under interrogative, question. Okay. Har means possessive. Then those comes under demonstrative. His, possessive. Every means it comes under adjective of quantity. Much, many, quantity. Which, interrogative. Then this, demonstrative. Their, possessive. These, demonstrative. Your, possessive. Many, quantity. Kind, descriptive. Two, numeral. Then next word is small. Small means size, so descriptive. Okay. Then Italian, again descriptive. Okay, Italian. Then few means adjective of quantity. Tall, again it comes under, tall means it comes under descriptive. So you understood what are the descriptive adjectives? Demonstrative, possessive, quantity, numeral and interrogative. You understood this? Yes. Okay, children, thank you. I think you all understood all the kinds of adjectives and adjectives. No? Read this. Okay, thank you. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates.